Hi guys, good afternoon everyone.
Good afternoon.
So today I came back again to play group discussion which we played last time. Okay, and today again we are going to play group discussion on which country is better. Okay, according to me, India is always better than other countries because you know that in India lots of facilities is increasing day by day, and technology is also increasing. Because of that, we can say that India is also is developing. Okay, and you know that the Prime Minister of India, okay, he is making the friendship with other countries which will be very beneficial for the India. So according to me, India is always better than other countries. Okay, so let's start the group discussion from yes, Mohini, please.
Hello, it's me Moini. As per my knowledge, brother, Germany is better for education and many top university in Germany, and World 2 created by only because of Germany, and Jude had killed in Germany, and Hitler belong from Germany. So
Okay, Mohini, that means according to you, Germany is good. It's better than India. You told in your lines actually. Okay, for the education, Germany is good, but other countries also there no for education. Okay, don't worry if Germany is better according to you. Okay, don't worry. Yes, please, Shreya, what do you think on the point of Mohini?
So, according to me, Germany is not better for education. If you live in India, so how you consider that Germany is better for education? And if you see Russia and Ukraine for medical education, many students go to Russia for getting medical education. So, according to me, Russia is better than Germany. So, you live in if you live in India, so how you consider that Germany is better than India?
That means sister just want to tell that Germany is not better for the education. Okay, other country also is there. And if you are living in India, so why did you choose Germany? So any reason behind there? No. So tell her.
yes, sister, I am from India. You are also right. Russia is better for education, but top university is there, and the free education for graduation. That's why that's why Germany is better for education.
Okay, that means as per your knowledge, okay, Germany is better for education than other countries. But you know that in India also lots of facilities is increasing for education sector also, in education sector also. Okay, but don't worry if you according to you, Germany is good for the education. Okay, doesn't matter. Yes, please, what do you think on your topic? Yes.
Yes, sister. As per my knowledge, according to me, which country is better? America country is better than other country because America is a developed country, and their education superpower also there, and education is very top, and their are very better. That's I like America. Thanks.
That means according to Jayashree, America is superpower in world. Okay, so therefore, according to you, America is good than other countries. Okay. So yes, Viraj, what do you think on which country is good?
My name is it's me Viraj in front of you. My today's topic my topic is the GD topic. Which country is better? I think Russia is better for education. He is a top education system. I like his education system, and India also developing country day by day. I like Russia because of the education. So it's my point.
But Viraj, you know that Canada, have you heard the name of Canada? Okay, everyone always tell that Canada is the best country for the education. Mostly from the India also. From India also, mostly student always goes in Canada. Why? Only just because of education, for taking the education. Because nothing. That means in each and every country there is a not well education which is in Canada. Okay, according to me. So what do you think on that?
According to me, Russia technology is better than other country. India also better. Yes.
Okay. Yeah, you're absolutely right. Okay. So yes, Maheshwari.
So if we, according to me, if we talk about employment, so only because of foreign countries or other countries people get employment. If we establish any country, at that time foreign people require their labor, and other countries unemployment is there. That's why foreign country is better.
That means, according to you, just because of foreign countries, we are getting the that means we are decreasing the unemployment. Okay, just because of foreign country. I don't think like that, because you know that each and every country has their own business. Lots of businesses there. Okay, so I think you can't say like that. Just because of foreign countries, we are that means we are decreasing the unemployment. Okay. So yes, please. What do you think on her point?
In Indian peoples, they get employment by foreign country. Sister is right, and their technology is also developed other countries' technology than India. That's is my point.
That means you agree with sister. Okay, you are telling that just because of foreign countries, our Indian people is getting the jobs, and because of that, in India unemployment is decreasing. Okay, I know. Just because of foreign countries, we are getting jobs. But you know that what is the reason behind it? Can you tell me the reason behind it? Yes, please, Shreya. Can you tell me the reason?
So according to me, because of the foreign country, we not decrease the unemployment. So if we see foreign countries, so in foreign countries, many students and many youngsters interested to their build their own business. But if we see in India, our youngsters always interested to join government job and private job. No one interested to build their own business. So that's the reason behind it. Because of that, in our India, the unemployment is increased. So according to me, there is no role of foreign countries and that all things, because if we see in foreign country there are many businesses and that all things, they don't have any chance to come in India for getting job. They already have job in their country. So according to me, there is no role of foreign country.
So guys, Shreya totally correct actually. Okay, Indian people always thinking about the government job, otherwise private job. Okay, no one is. That means not lots of people thinking about the business. Okay, if the people will think about business, because of them, many people will get the job. Okay, because of that also we can decrease the unemployment. Okay, not that means not because of foreign countries we can't actually decrease the unemployment. Okay. So, Shreya, you totally correct actually. Yes, please. What do you think on your point?
According to me, India is better because in our India, I know our India is developing that other than other countries are developed. It is our responsibility to develop our country. In our India, there are many education facilities are provided. Means the peoples in India help others. Means in every situation. That's all.
That means according to you also India is better than other countries. Okay. So can you tell me the reason behind it? Why India is because it's in developing. Okay, it's not developed. Okay, and according to me it should be already developed, because you know that in if you saw the other countries, it's already developed. Okay, so India also should be developed. Am I right or not? So what do you think on that? How can you decrease the how can you increase the facilities in India?
We should we should
provide the more facilities to the peoples, means in education system.
That means, according to you, if you will provide the more much facilities for education, so it will become a developed country, according to you. Okay. Yes, please. What do you think on her point?
Sister, how you told India is better than others?
Brother is asking you, how can you say that it's that means India is better than other countries?
Because in our India peoples are very good, means they help other peoples, but in other countries peoples are only selfish, they don't think about other peoples. Means there is a unity in our India.
That means, brother, she is telling that if you saw the other countries people, like, oh, okay, so they can't actually properly respect of each and everyone. But if you will see in India, okay, they always respect of everyone, as well as they always help to poorest people. Okay, like that sister want to say. Am I right or
Yes.
not? Yes. So what do you think on your point? Which country is good?
Hello everyone, I am Rohit. According to me, India is always better than other countries. India's culture and India's born and big peoples. Like that, the great king of our India, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, and like that, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, and some people is born in there. And lots of facilities, education, and more much is. That's all about my point.
Brother, according to you also India is better. Can you tell me the reason behind it? Why you are telling that India is better? Just only because of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj? They born in India, so therefore.
Some reason is there.
Reason is there. Okay, just tell me.
Brother, Indian people think is very good than other countries people. Like that, suppose other countries people came in India. Indian people always respect than other peoples. Yeah.
So have you seen ever while Indian people doing the respect of other countries people? Have you seen ever?
Yes. Yeah, I see. Yeah, I saw.
So I think you might be saw in tourist places. Okay, for in tourist places, lots of foreigner people always comes in India for the wandering everywhere because they also like India. Okay, mostly foreign people also like.
It's 3:36 p.m.